Craving a perfectly crispy pizza without the hassle of heating up your oven or waiting for delivery? This Betty Crocker Countertop Pizza Maker, 144-watt pizza maker machine for home, is here to revolutionize your kitchen. This versatile compact appliance isn't just a pizza maker, it's a multifunctional culinary powerhouse that brings people together over delicious homemade meals. Whether you're a busy parent, a college student, or a foodie who loves experimenting, this 12-inch pizza maker delivers convenience, creativity, and mouth-watering results. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why this kitchen gadget deserves a spot on your countertop, diving into its features, benefits, and real-world performance to help you decide if it's the perfect fit for your home. Why choose the Betty Crocker Countertop Pizza Maker? Imagine whipping up a cheesy pepperoni pizza, a fluffy omelet, or a gooey quesadilla in minutes, all without preheating a bulky oven. The Betty Crocker Pizza Maker solves common cooking woes like long prep times, uneven cooking, and tedious cleanup. Its 1,440-watt heating element ensures rapid preheating and consistent results, while the non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze. This appliance is designed for versatility, transforming your kitchen into a hub for creative recipes. From family pizza nights to quick weekday breakfasts, it's a must-have for anyone who loves delicious, homemade food without the fuss. Key features that set it apart. Versatile cooking options. Beyond pizza, this 140-watt machine functions as a sandwich maker, griddle press, tortilla press, crepe maker, omelet maker, and quesadilla maker. It's like having multiple appliances in one compact unit. Oven-free convenience. No need to heat up your kitchen with a traditional oven. The electric skillet design delivers crispy crusts and perfectly cooked toppings in under 15 minutes. Non-stick surface for easy cleanup. The PTFE and PFOA-free ceramic non-stick coating ensures food slides off effortlessly, saving you from scrubbing and soaking. Compact and lightweight design. Measuring 13.78 inches by 15.87 inches by 5.04 inches, it's ideal for small kitchens, dorms or RVs, and stores easily in a cabinet or drawer. High-powered performance. The 1,440-watt heating element reaches up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring even cooking for both fresh and frozen pizzas, as well as other dishes like nachos and giant cookies. Benefits that make a difference. Time-saving efficiency. Preheats in just 5 minutes and cooks 12-inch pizzas in 10-12 minutes, faster than a conventional oven. Perfect for busy weeknights or spontaneous gatherings. Endless culinary creativity. From breakfast omelets to late-night nachos, this pizza maker encourages experimentation with recipes like pancakes, frittatas, and even cinnamon rolls. Family-friendly fun. Create memorable meals with kids or friends by customizing pizzas with favorite toppings, fostering connection through food. Solving everyday cooking challenges. The Betty Crocker Pizza Maker addresses several pain points for home cooks. Tired of waiting 20 minutes for your oven to preheat? This appliance is ready in a fraction of the time. Frustrated by unevenly cooked frozen pizzas or soggy crusts, the dual heating elements ensure consistent browning and crispiness. Hate scrubbing stuck-on cheese? The non-stick surface wipes clean with minimal effort. Plus, its compact size is a game-changer for small kitchens or those avoiding bulky appliances. Whether you're feeding a crowd or cooking for one, this pizza maker delivers convenience without sacrificing quality. Who is this pizza maker perfect for? Busy families. Ideal for parents who need quick, crowd-pleasing meals that kids can help customize. College students. Perfect for dorms or small apartments where space and budget are limited. Food enthusiasts. Great for those who love experimenting with recipes like crepes, paninis, or homemade flatbreads. RV campers or travelers. Its compact size and versatility make it a must-have for on-the-go cooking. Budget-conscious cooks. At a mid-range price point, it offers excellent value compared to pricier pizza ovens. Tips for getting the most out of your pizza maker. Use parchment paper for easy removal. For sticky dishes like cookies or cheesy pizzas, place parchment paper on the cooking surface to prevent sticking. Experiment with recipes. Try making breakfast sandwiches, grilled veggies, or even s'mores for a fun twist. Monitor cooking times. Since there's no timer, keep a close eye on your food, especially for first-time recipes. Clean immediately after cooling. Wipe the non-stick surface with a damp cloth for effortless cleanup. Why it's a must-have for pizza lovers. The Betty Crocker Countertop Pizza Maker isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's a gateway to culinary creativity and connection. Its ability to churn out restaurant-quality pizzas in minutes, combined with its versatility for other dishes, makes it a standout. Whether you're hosting a game night, feeding picky eaters, or craving a late-night snack, this 1,440-watt pizza maker delivers. Its compact size, easy cleanup, and budget-friendly price make it accessible to everyone, from novice cooks to seasoned foodies. Plus, it's a fun way to bring people together over homemade meals, creating memories that last longer than the dishes themselves. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.